Welcome to Management in Christian Organizations. This is a fully online course with no face-to-face meetings. This course focuses on understanding the Christian organization from a systems framework and underscores the transforming nature of a contextualized mission, which can be accentuated or thwarted by management. The course focuses on management best practices, especially with regard to governance, working with volunteers, financial management, human resources, risk management, and some selected legal issues. Several resources have been provided to assist you in successfully completing this course. I can't stress enough that I need you to thoroughly read the syllabus and course schedule before beginning the course. I highly suggest that you even print out the course schedule. As an online student, your learning is more independent than that of the classroom counterpart. Unlike them, you are not bound by time or space for most activities. But despite this freedom, you need to be more mindful of how you manage your time. This is not an at-your-own-pace course. Every assignment has a deadline and a due date. You should plan to spend time on campus daily. Points are awarded not only for the quality of your work, but for the timeliness of your submission. Try to get into a rhythm. If you manage your time well, you will complete all your assignments on time and learn at a very comfortable pace. In online courses at Vanguard, the discussion board functions as your classroom. So please make sure that you spend a considerable amount of time on the discussion forum participation. Hey, it's just more fun participating too. So join me as we venture into the nonprofit world and seek to better understand the role and responsibility that God has bestowed on his servants who are serving the body of Christ through a great and godly accountability. I'm Professor Naaman, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the board.